What if I told you that you could improve your English every single day without opening a grammar book? Today, I'm going to take you through my entire daily routine from the moment I wake up until I go to bed. But this isn't just a story about my day. Along the way, you'll learn more than 50 useful English words, phrasal verbs, and expressions that native speakers use every day. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to describe your own daily routine naturally and confidently. Let's get started! My day usually starts at 6:30 in the morning. The first thing that happens is my alarm goes off. Notice this expression. We say my alarm goes off, not my alarm rings, all the time. Both are correct, but goes off is very common in everyday English. Sometimes I hit the snooze button because I want 5 more minutes of sleep. Do you know the difference between wake up and get up? Wake up means you stop sleeping. Get up means you leave your bed. I wake up at 6:30, but I don't get up until 6:40. After I get up, I make my bed. Then I head to the bathroom. Next, I get dressed. That simply means I put my clothes on. Now I'm ready to start my day. I go to the kitchen and make myself a cup of coffee. Then I prepare breakfast. Sometimes I toast some bread. Sometimes I fry an egg. And sometimes I just grab a quick bite because I'm in a hurry. Grab a quick bite means eating something quickly. While I'm eating, I check my phone. I read messages, check my calendar, and see what's planned for the day. Here's another useful expression. Instead of saying, I drink coffee every morning, you can also say, I can't start my day without coffee. That's a very natural sentence that native speakers often use. After breakfast, I sit down at my desk and log in to my computer. Log in means entering your account by using your username and password. The first thing I do is check my emails. Then I start working on my tasks. Some days I write scripts, some days I record videos, and other days I edit them. Sometimes I have to attend a meeting. If you're a student, you can say, I attend classes. Here's another useful phrase. I have a deadline. A deadline is the date or time when something must be finished. If I'm tired, I take a short break. Taking breaks helps me stay focused throughout the day. Around 1 o'clock, I take a lunch break. Sometimes I cook lunch at home. Sometimes I order food. After lunch, I like to go for a walk. This means taking a short walk, usually to relax or get some exercise. Fresh air helps me clear my mind before I get back to work. If someone asks what you're doing after lunch, you can naturally say, I'm just going for a walk. In the afternoon, I continue working. I answer comments, edit videos, and plan future lessons. Whenever I learn a new English expression, I try to use it immediately. That's one of the best ways to remember new vocabulary. Here's another useful phrasal verb. I often need to look up new information online. Look up means to search for information. For example, I looked up the meaning of that word. When my work is finished, it's time to relax. Some evenings I work out at the gym. Workout simply means to exercise. Other days, I hang out with friends or spend time with my family. Hang out means spending time together in a relaxed way. Then I have dinner. After dinner, I usually watch YouTube, read a book, or listen to music. When I'm finally done with everything, I say, let's call it a day. This expression means, let's stop working because the day is over. Native speakers use it all the time. Before going to bed, I prepare for tomorrow. I make a simple to-do list so I know what I need to do the next day. Then I set my alarm. I charge my phone. I turn off the lights. Finally, I go to bed. Notice something interesting. We say, go to bed when we get into bed. But we say, fall asleep when we actually begin sleeping. For example, I went to bed at 10:30, but I didn't fall asleep until 11. That's a very common sentence in English. Now let's quickly review today's expressions. Go off. Hit the snooze button. Wake up. Get up. Make my bed. Brush my teeth. Get dressed. Grab a quick bite. Log in. Attend a meeting. Take a break. Go for a walk. Look up. Work out. Hang out. Call it a day. Set an alarm. Charge my phone. Turn off the lights. Fall asleep. If you can use these expressions naturally, you'll sound much more like a native English speaker. Now it's your turn. Can you describe your daily routine in English? Try using at least 10 of the expressions you learned today. Write 5 or 6 sentences in the comments below, and I'll read them and help you improve them. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who's learning English. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!